Hi everyone, we are going to make these kitten finger rings. Look how cute these are looking. We are folding this blue craft paper, make mini folds, open it and again fold it into half. Now fold it from its top and make two triangles by folding it. Again fold it and press it like this. After this we are going to fold it again and fold it from its bottom. Now we are going to fold it again. You'll get a heart shape. Now flip it and draw the face of the kitten. Fold it and look, your ring is ready. Here we are going to make these beautiful dresses for your Barbie dolls. So let's get started. We are going to fold this paper from its diagonals. Again fold it and make a triangle shape. Now again fold it. We are going to make pleats here. Flip it and again fold it. We are going to fold again and again and make mini pleats like this from other side as well. Now we are going to cut it and you will get triangular shape like this. Again we are going to fold it from its bottom part and tuck it inside and do the same from all sides like this. Again fold it and cut it from its top portion and keep it aside. Now take another small piece of paper and start folding it first into half and then from its corners. Then we are going to fold it again and we are making the top here. Tuck it inside, paste the belt and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful rose rings. Let's make it. We are folding this red strip of paper from one corner. So twist it and start folding it like we're doing here and roll it like this. You will get a beautiful rose shape. Again fold it and twist it and repeat the same process until you get a beautiful rose like this. After this we are going to keep it aside and take another strip of paper, roll it and paste it using a glue at the end. Now we are going to twist it and make a ring. Paste the rose at the top and your ring is ready. We're going to make these beautiful butterfly rings. So let's get started. Take a blue strip of paper, fold it into half. Now we are going to make shapes at the center like this. Now tuck it inside. Now open the paper. Again we are going to fold it like this. Again flip it and fold like we are doing here. We are making the butterfly shape here. So press it gently like this. Now we are making the ring. So make small strip of paper and fold it, make a ring and it's ready. Look at these cute mini trolley bags. Let's make it. We are going to fold this paper from its top and bottom. Again fold it and flip it. Again fold it from its corners and make two such small squares. Now we are going to fold it like this and it's done. We are going to again cover the corners. Now take another piece of paper, fold it. We are going to open it in different way here like this. Now we have four such sides. Now tuck all of them together like this and make a box. Now take another piece of paper, fold it like this and we are going to tuck it inside from its sides. Now paste it using glue like this and we are going to cover the front portion of the trolley bag and keep it aside. Now paste the handle like this, paste its googly eyes, its mini tires like this. We're going to draw all of them and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.